In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to your Wix website. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you want to share documents, brochures, or any other PDF content with your website visitors. So let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to go to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, select the site you want to work on, and you'll find yourself in the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you can bring your website vision to life. Next, focus your attention on the editor tools on the left-hand side of the screen and find the Media section. Clicking on Media will open up your site's Media Manager, which is like your hub for all things pictures, videos, and documents. This is where your PDF file will soon reside alongside your other media assets. With the Media Manager open, look for the button that says Upload Media. This is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Clicking it will trigger a small menu from which you'll want to select Upload from Computer. This step is crucial as it allows you to fetch the PDF file from your device. Once you've clicked the option, a file browser window will pop up, enabling you to navigate your computer's folders. Locate the PDF file you wish to upload in your computer's file browser. Make sure that it's the correct file, since this will be the document made accessible to your audience. Once you've found the PDF, double-click on it, or click once and hit Open, depending on your computer's operating system. Your file will begin to upload to the Wix Media Manager, a quick process, but it might take a little longer for larger files. After the upload completes, you'll notice your PDF file now listed among the other media within the Media Manager. This is an exciting moment because it means you're mere steps away from showcasing your document on your site. Next, you'll need to select your newly uploaded PDF by clicking on it. With the file selected, you'll see an option to Add to Page. Clicking this button is the final step in the upload process, integrating your PDF onto the web page of your choice. And there you have it. Your PDF is now part of your Wix site. You can now adjust its settings, choose its visibility, or link it within text or images on your page to make sure your visitors can access it smoothly. Hopefully you'll find this process as straightforward as it sounds and be able to upload documents to your heart's content. Thanks for following along and happy building.